I like the way it looks. I'm always in the woods. I love coming in the woods.
The what?
Yeah. It just gives you such peace of mind.
No.
Yeah. You see, it's wonderful. The scenery. You see, a constant interrupted mind is a distraction to the imagination. And this is what I like to do. I like to travel. So I'm gonna go down here, rich boy. There's a golf course over here. I like to travel to see the different sections. Look here, it's the first I'm coming over here. First time. And it looks like the road never ends. Where are we going? I don't know, I'm just driving. I'm looking at the scenery. There's nothing to see. Some of the trees have leaves on them. And you know, it's winter time. Most of them are all dried up. Oh, I see where we ended up. So much for my adventure. Yeah, on the other side of town. Going under a bridge. Huh? Yeah, we're on the other side of town. And so I'm gonna spin around right here. I'm gonna turn around right here. So I'm going back. Hope I don't hit anything. There's a garbage bin. Alright, so let's go back. Let's see where we are. So we go back. And do a 4-minute length video. I'd totally sit in one of these woods with a book. A nice novel or something to educate my mind.